This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss dealer scams, how accident write-offs get fixed and resold as normal second-hand vehicles. Catch You Ask, We Answer, buying advice, VW Golf 7 with a maintenance plan or 7.5 without maintenance plan. The team is unanimous. The maintenance plan outweighs all. In this episode of All Things Motoring, we head out to Angela's picnic. Heritage, horsepower, and history. Driving in wet conditions, avoid becoming a statistic. Rachel Kolisi joins Jetta family as brand ambassador. The National Automobile Dealers Association and ABSA Bank Limited have formalized a strategic collaboration agreement aimed at strengthening South Africa's motor dealership sector. Limited edition Porsche 911 Club Coupe unveiled. Read Colin Wendell's article Understanding the Vehicle Registration Process. All Things Motoring is proud to be the official sponsor of Cars in the Park 2025, to be held at Swartkops Raceway in Pretoria on Sunday, 3rd of August 2025. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by ChangeCars. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, ChangeCars has you covered.